As far as touring, right now we're on the road. We are doing a promotional run right now in New York. So we leave here and we head to Canada the last week of June. And from there we are on the road non-stop. So we do a Canadian tour, which is like 7 days. Then we come back into the States and do Southeast run for our next 8 days. And then we go to Europe. And from Europe, we'll be in Europe for 35 days till the end of August. And then from then, we're planning the Jamaica promotional tour run, which we're planning a concert in Ocho Rios, Negril, Montego Bay, Kingston, and St. Thomas. We have Bounty Killer on the album, Michael Rose, Damian Marley, Mavado, Miss O, 15 tracks on the album. You can get the album to download everywhere that music is sold online, whether iTunes, Amazon, Spotify, you name it, Google Play. All the fans just need to go out and support the album. The single of the album right now, we have Money Wine, which was released 2 months ago, and then the latest single of the album is Get Drunk, featuring Miss O. So all the fans just make sure that they support the album. And if you are a fan of dancehall and reggae music or a fan of Cham's music, you need to get this album.